Hi, my name is Ira. This is Caitlin, Kathy, and Ayush, and we are Team MedBlock. Let's say Mary needs a copy of her radiology images from a recent CT scan. The hospital requires her to fill out a request form in person at the front desk. She waits anywhere between 7 to 30 days until her CD is ready for pickup. She drives to the hospital, waits for the admin to burn the CD, and then drives back home, probably after paying a fee. If she needs her images quickly for a second opinion from a different provider, this process proves to be very inconvenient and time-consuming.
This system of sharing medical data is very fragile because CDs aren't secure and they're slow and lack immediate access to the data. Since CD burner manufacturers are all different, the equipment at two different facilities may not be the same, which makes making the images impossible due to compatibility issues. Although this system seems extremely archaic given the technology we have now, this is the reality.
Enter MedBlock. MedBlock is a blockchain IPFS-based medical image portability system that's fast, secure, and permanent. MedBlock allows providers to upload and fulfill medical records requests and for patients to upload and retrieve records. It also uses a machine learning-based tagging system on images so receivers can make sure all images are authentic.
MedBlock has three main value propositions: speed, accessibility, and security.
Here's how MedBlock works.
Using your IPFS key, you can log into MedBlock as either a patient or a provider. We also allow you to sign in with Google for an extra layer of security. On your dashboard, you'll see a list of all of your providers, and you can add providers as necessary by just inputting their information and requesting that they complete a HIPAA form in order to protect your privacy. You also will see a bunch of your med blocks or your data that is stored in the blockchain. And you can easily retrieve this data in formats that are much more accessible.
If you don't see some of your info, you can request it from your provider by filling out the information and sending them a request. Additionally, you can also verify your own data records by uploading for example, your immunization records and getting them verified by your doctor.
As a provider, you'll have access to a list of all of your patients as well as their medical record numbers. You'll also see all of your requests for documents to be verified from your patients, and it's very simple to just verify it.
If your patients have requested some documents, you can fulfill those requests by uploading their records. You could also click on the patient's name in order to upload any records you have for them now. And that's how MedBlock works.